Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that goes beyond the 10-day detox reset. It's about how detoxing can be the first step towards building lasting, healthier habits that truly transform your life. Now, detoxing isn't just about cleansing your body for 10 days and then going back to the old routine. It's about creating a foundation for long-term success, one small step at a time. So let's dive in and explore how detoxing can help you shape new habits that stick. So what makes detoxing a good habit builder? Well, think of your 10-day detox as a reset button for your body and mind. And during this time, you're not only nourishing your liver and digestive system, but also giving yourself a chance to experience what it feels like to prioritize your health. Here's how detoxing sets the stage for lasting changes. You can break old patterns. Detoxing eliminates foods that burden your body, like processed sugars, refined grains, and alcohol. By doing this, you're retaining your taste buds and breaking those cravings for less nutritious options. And here's how you establish a routine. For 10 days, you'll have structure, herbal teas, nutrient-rich meals, and consistent hydration. This structure can become the framework for daily habits you carry forward. Also, during a detox, you become more in tune with how your body feels, lighter, more energized, and less inflamed. This awareness makes you more mindful of the choices that you make moving forward. Let me share a bit of my own experience. When I first started detoxing, I thought, how am I going to stick to this? But what I noticed was that by day 3 and 4, I didn't even miss the old foods. I began to crave the lighter, more nourishing meals because they made me feel so much better. It was a reminder that my body thrives on wholesome, natural foods. And the same goes for habits like drinking water consistently. Sipping herbal teas or preparing meals ahead really helps. These became second nature to me after the detox, and they've stayed with me long after. So let me share 3 habits that you can focus on during your detox that will serve you well, and even after the 10 days are over. Here's how to make herbal teas a daily ritual. Start your day with a tea like dandelion root to support your liver, or wind down with calming marshmallow root tea in the evening. It's simple, it's a soothing practice that benefits your health long term. And here's how you can meal prep for success. Take a little time to prepare your meals for the day. Not only does this take time, or save time rather, but it also ensures that you're eating foods that are aligned with your goals, even on busy days, and it doesn't have to be taxing. And this plan really helps you to do that so that you can stay on track. Practice mindful eating. During your detox, focus on eating slowly and truly enjoying your meals. Notice how the flavors, textures, and smells make you feel. This mindfulness can prevent overeating and help you stay connected to your body's signals. Now, once the detox ends, it's important to keep the momentum going. And here's how. Revisit the detox plan periodically. The 10-day detox reset is something that you can come back to whenever you feel you need a reset. And incorporate detox-friendly meals into your routine. So even after the detox, you can keep enjoying the recipes from the guide. They're simple, delicious, and full of nutrients, and your body will thank you for it. And celebrate the small wins, whether it's drinking more water, skipping processed snacks, or trying a new herb. Celebrate those small steps because they add up to big changes over time. So, are you ready to make your detox the beginning of a healthier, more balanced lifestyle? If you haven't joined yet, it's not too late. You can grab the full detox plan with or without the herbal kit by clicking the link in the description below. And don't forget, our Telegram group is there as well for you, offering support, encouragement, and a community of like-minded health seekers. Let's build those healthy habits together and make this year your best yet. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share these videos with others, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on a single update. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.